Many organizations face a common challenge: scattered data across portfolio planning and execution tools like Clarity and Jira, leading to information silos, delayed decision-making, and a lack of visibility into progress. Today we'll walk through a whiteboard to show how ConnectALL can seamlessly bridge Clarity and Jira, creating a unified ecosystem where teams gain real-time, accurate information to drive alignment and boost efficiency. Here we have Clarity, a powerful portfolio and project management system used by the PMO and senior leadership to plan and track initiatives, allocating resources, and setting timelines. And here we have multiple instances of Jira, including the engineering team in one, working to manage their backlog, prioritize user stories, and track development work. They focus on what they do best: coding, testing, and deploying. The business side of the organization is focused on their customers, and they have big plans. They use Clarity roadmaps to plan initiatives aligned to their strategy and funding. And then once they're happy with their plan, they manually relay this information to the engineering teams. The engineering team will take that big business initiative, break it down into smaller chunks, plan, and get to work. Unfortunately, it's created one giant game of telephone, but the line is disconnected. The business is left in the dark, and there is a huge gap between strategy, funding, and execution. Hey, how far along are we? Wait, I didn't think it would be that much work. This was actually a higher priority. Our VP of Program Management is comparing the two systems and trying to understand progress. One of the initiatives is taking double the projected amount of time, and the rest of the initiatives are seeing a ripple effect, including a huge launch that was needed for the holiday season. The lack of traceability is causing a missed opportunity, costing the organization millions of dollars, and the team can't pivot quickly enough. It's like we can only see the gap between the two systems, creating a fragmented view, which means decisions are delayed, causing organizational frustration. Wouldn't it be easier if we could just erase this problem with automation? Wouldn't it be great to have full visibility into the life cycle and have feedback loops? This is how ConnectALL seamlessly eliminates your pain. This means that when a business initiative in Clarity is approved and designated for an engineering team living in Jira, it happens automatically. No longer are development teams needing to copy and paste data, and this helps reduce operational costs. Now senior leadership is happy because they get accurate, timely updates. They're able to then see the data flowing back into Clarity and make data-driven decisions to avoid costly delays because we have full visibility and consistent real-time reporting across the portfolio. Now the business is excited to see the progress and those data-focused decisions to keep their customers happy. With ConnectALL, there's real-time data flow between Clarity and Jira, enabling full visibility and removing bottlenecks, saving time and reducing frustration across teams. Everyone is on the same page. Bottlenecks are easier to identify, and strategic decisions are supported with accurate information, saving you both time and money. Want to see the impact for yourself? Use the link or the QR code to map out your own value streams and uncover where automation and ConnectALL can unlock even more efficiency for your teams.